Alright, quick test. How do we know the wheel bearing is bad? I lifted up the vehicle, tire is off the ground, then I want to move left and right. I do feel some play, and then move it up and down. That looks rough. Do the same thing to this side. Left and right, nothing. Up and down, nothing. Difference between good and bad. You can really feel it here now. You can see it. Look at that. Look at that. Sounds rough. It's about that time.